Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Railsr, Railsbank Embedded Finance Review My Usage Experience. Railsr, Railsbank Embedded Finance Review My Usage Experience offers embedded finance solutions for businesses. It essentially provides the infrastructure and APIs for companies to integrate financial services directly into their own platforms. Their website provides details on various features such as account creation, payment processing, and card issuance. The target audience is businesses looking to offer financial services to their customers without building these functionalities from scratch. Their website highlights ease of integration and a range of customizable options. They emphasize streamlined processes and competitive pricing, though specific details are found within their documentation and upon contacting their sales team. They leverage modern APIs and cloud technology for reliability and scalability. Availability is dependent on geographical location and specific business needs, which should be checked on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Railsr, Railsbank Embedded Finance Review My Usage Experience. For context, I'm a developer working on a small e-commerce platform, and we needed a reliable payment processing solution. Getting started was surprisingly smooth. Their documentation was clear and well organized, and the onboarding process guided me through each step efficiently. The API was well documented, making integration into our existing system relatively straightforward. I particularly appreciated the clear examples provided in their API documentation. Navigating the dashboard to manage transactions and accounts was intuitive. It's clearly designed with developers in mind. The performance has been consistently reliable. We haven't experienced any significant downtime or delays in processing payments. I had a quick question about a specific API endpoint and their support team responded within 24 hours via email, providing a helpful solution. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, and the standout feature for me was definitely the comprehensive reporting tools. One minor drawback was the somewhat steep learning curve for certain advanced features, but it was manageable with a bit of patience and a careful read of their comprehensive documentation. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Railsr. It streamlined our payment processing, provided a secure and reliable system, and, most importantly, made our integration process much more efficient than expected. That's my overview of Railsr, Railsbank Embedded Finance Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.